This is a quick tutorial on how to assign different assignments to different students. If you want to differentiate assignments or assessments or materials within your course in Schoology, you can do this when you create any of those items. In this example, I'm creating an assignment. I've put assignment 1 labeled here. Details and information are below. I've embedded a document in this space. And as I go to the bottom, you'll see the 3 dots in the triangle shape. This means I'm going to individually assign this to a group of students or individually. I can type in someone's name here to enter a student and put them in and to let them receive the assignment. I can start typing their names, and if they're in the course, their names will show up. Otherwise, I can also share this with a group of students. This is a group of staff members, so I have them separated into groups within grading groups. Once I've assigned it to the student, they receive this information, and no one else in the class will have that if it's an individual or if it's a small group. I can assign different materials to different groups or individuals. For now, I'm going to press Create, and I'm going to go back in and show you how grading groups might look within your course. Your course materials, on the left-hand side, you'll drop down to Members. In the Members area, you'll see a list of all people in your course. On the far right side, you'll see the ability to organize group members into grading groups. Press here to add a grading group. It'll bring up everyone's name in your course, and you can give the group a name. So this might be just NGC teachers. As I put them in, I'm going to create a grading group here. And then I can go ahead and select the ones I can put in there. I can always go back later and select them, or I can press on this group and I can edit the group to add more members. So if I enter a name, I can search for a teacher or a student in my course and add them to the grading group. I can do this until all group members are in a grading group in my course. Grading groups are very helpful if you're going to be differentiating assignments. You should always give them some kind of label to indicate so you can remember which grading group you'd like to assign the work to. I'm going to return back to my materials and show you that assignment again, creating that assignment from the beginning, and I'm going to press on Edit so you can see those options again. It's from here that I can decide who I want to assign this work to. Pressing on the 3 triangular dots in the lower left allows you to select individually assign. It gives you a field to write that grading group. Now it's going to go to the students in the NGC group. I can select it and it will be assigned to the students within that group. Or I can individually add student names here. I press Save Changes and they'll be able to see the assignment and see the work within their Schoology course. I hope this was helpful in being able to differentiate some materials, assignments, assessments, and other materials within your Schoology courses.